Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chisholm, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Unif Dot Mary Jane. So this is the box that it came in, and before I open it, I do want to touch on a few things, specifically the pricing and the shipping. So on the website, these are $138, and after tax, they were $146.28. And as for shipping, I ordered these on October 5th and they came on October 11th. So that's like 6 days. So I don't want to waste any more time. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Okay, so they're in this smaller box. Oh, also, the website has Shop Pay, which is where you pay in 4 installments, and that's what I used to buy this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! It's a chunky heel, so I'll be able to walk pretty easily in these. The strap is Velcro. They're so cute. They're like a shiny leather. And that is pretty much it. Looks like your basic Mary Janes, but I'm going to try them on. Also, it's like a pretty like rounded toe. You can see that. But guys, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have a field day with these. I'm gonna try them on, see how they fit, and then get back to you. So it's the next day. I wore these to school, right? And they are deeply uncomfortable. The top part like digs into your foot, but they are very cute. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with them. If I'm just gonna keep them and be uncomfortable or sell them or return them. I'll let y'all know, but they're cute, but I would not recommend to you or a friend or anyone else. I don't know if I should have sized up because there's room at the top, like for my toes, but just right here, it digs in really bad and I'm pretty sure it left a mark. So do what you will, but that's my review after walking on them for a whole, I guess, 2 hours at college.